In this video, I will reveal the secret of two millionaires who made millions of dollars online using 3 steps. They have shared their secrets in their paid courses, and I'm going to share that with you for free. But that's not all. I'm going to give you my premium software Epic 100% free that will solve all the 3 problems using AI or artificial intelligence. Link to Epic is in the description below. Go get it. We make $1,000 to $5,000 per day using the exact same method, and you can do it too. This system is 100% beginner friendly, and you can start doing it and start making money from today without any website, without hosting server, without creating product, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. And you can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe, or any other methods including crypto or digital currency. Before we begin, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Our today's sponsor of this video is you. We can confidently say that you will love to be our sponsor because you don't have to spend money. All you have to do is become a part of the noble mission of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by earning online. From our sponsor, which is you, we want only 2 things. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, social media groups, private chat groups. This is the only way you can help us reach as many people as possible and help them with their right education of how to make money online, the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as a premium viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. So the chance for the beginners to get results in this new method is super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because we don't need camera to make videos. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free links, images, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for videos using built-in artificial intelligence with just a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them without any effort or any time. But we are not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys are making so much money using this new and simple and easy method, and how you can start making money the same way starting today. As I mentioned earlier, we want to reach 100 million individuals and families, and we need your like and share for that. And this number is extremely possible. Here is an example. Lily Singh reached 3.5 billion people when I was shooting this video from one channel alone. But the problem is she only shoots comedy videos, and they are not simple nor easy. They are not just stand-up comedies. They are collabs with other YouTubers, Hollywood stars, superb storytelling, movie making, video editing, scripting, and honestly, not everyone can do this. Especially if you are not passionate about comedy. You can't do comedy when you are struggling financially. Above all, it's not easy to make people laugh. But the problem didn't end here. I signed up for Skillshare and looked at a course offered by Lily Singh. The course is about social media success, video storytelling on YouTube and beyond. And if you look at this, on top of all the problems I just mentioned, the main three topics discussed and taught in the course are how to write your script, how to shoot your video with camera, and how to edit your footage. Who likes to do this? I don't. Don't worry, we have solved these problems using Epic. You don't need any of this. YouTube does everything on your behalf using artificial intelligence. But luckily, I didn't stop browsing and started looking for something better and easier that anyone can do, and I found Marcus Brownlee or MKBHD's course. YouTube Success Script, Shoot and Edit with MKBHD. Well, yes, the problem persists that you have to write your script, you have to shoot your video, and you have to edit your footage. But at least creating a technical video is easier. Don't worry, I will even make you easier using Epic. Not only you will not have to do any of those, but also I will show you how to use my template on Epic and make money-making product review videos in just 3 minutes or less. Step number 1, go to Amazon or ClickBank or any network that allows affiliate promotion. Become an affiliate and find a product with a lot of high rating and comparatively higher price so you can make good commissions. Here is an example: Sunny Wealth and Fitness Unisex Adult SFX 9931 Powered Zone Squat Stand. If you scroll through this product listing, you will find every information about the product, and from the numbers we can clearly understand the product is super popular and of the highest quality. There is no doubt that you will make money if you promote this using review video. Just use my software Epic, use my product review template that I will show you in a moment. Fill in the information using copying and pasting, and your product review will be ready in no time to make money for you. Before I give you my template for free, here is a couple of examples. I have searched YouTube with Sony Squat Stand SF. The first video got 14,000 views. The second video has 6,700 views. Third video has 11,000 views. Fourth video has 6,600 views. Fifth video has 3,000 views. Sixth video has 2,900 views. The next one has 30,000 views, and the next one has 12,000 views. Now let me show you how to make a product review video using Epic. You can use this video, our video, as a template from your dashboard to create your own review video shorts. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image Add it on the canvas by pasting the link, little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend, and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Okay, question. Why did I make a short video? Because Shorts is a new feature for YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting Shorts and Shorts creators heavily, and it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video. It can be made using Epic, the AI software, in just 3 minutes. And of course, you can get Epic from the link in the description. Go get it, don't waste time. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers, and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.